the chicken is cooked in the pot like this until it boils. You need to put it in, depending on how much chicken you're using, you need to boil it about, se hierve como una hora, hora y media.
Sí, pero la señal es que se está cayendo el hueso.
Okay. So you wait until the bone and the skin is actually falling off of the chicken to tell you that it's ready. Now you do want to add some salt and some garlic, and with that, it'll be sufficient to season it at that time. Now, one of the things that you can also do, there's also tamales that can be made with beef or with pork. So feel free to do the same process. You can buy the beef, boil it, and the same thing for the pork. Use your pot to boil it until the skin is coming off, the bone is coming off, and that will be your sign that the meat is soft enough to be used for the tamale. And always put enough salt and garlic to your likings.